The Department of Education's RISE committee recently proposed a classification that would redefine the Doctor of Physical Therapy degree and dozens of other healthcare doctoring degrees as simply graduate degrees, not professional degrees. Let me be very clear. This is outrageous. It is misinformed. It is damaging, and it is completely unacceptable. Enough is enough. So what is this proposal claims? According to this committee, medicine, a profession. Pharmacy, a profession. Law, a profession. But physical therapy, nursing, audiology, occupational therapy, speech-language pathology, physician associates, apparently not professions. This is a statement so disconnected from reality, it could be laughable if it were not dangerous. What this would do, if enacted, this proposal would limit student loan availability for DPT students. It would restrict federal borrowing caps, increase out-of-pocket burden, deter future students from entering the field of physical therapy, worsen national shortages in musculoskeletal and rehabilitation care, and directly undermine patient access. This is not a small bureaucratic change. This is a deliberate weakening of the physical therapy workforce at a moment when healthcare already cannot meet demand. The APTA's response and why they are right. The American Physical Therapy Association has called the proposal misguided, misinformed, contrary to congressional intent, harmful to the public, and damaging to the future of healthcare. And they are right. APTA's president, Dr. Kyle Covington, wrote, quotes, "Everything we do begins with strengthening the ability of physical therapists to serve their patients and communities. Our advocacy on these issues remains unwavering," end of quotes. And it needs to be unwavering because what is being suggested is not only wrong, it is insulting. Let's be blunt. The United States already faces a shortage of 15,000, approximately 15,000 physical therapists every single year. This is not speculation. This is documented, ongoing, and growing. And now, in the middle of healthcare access crisis, the Department of Education is proposing a rule that would make it harder for students to get the loans they need to become physical therapists in the first place. Think about that. You are drowning in shortages, and their solution is to tighten the pipeline even further. Student loan restriction equals fewer physical therapists, which equals a collapsed workforce. And let's say it plainly. If students cannot finance a doctoral level education, they will not enter the profession, period. The DPT is expensive because it is doctoral, it's vigorous, clinical, and essential. Restricting loans means fewer students admitted, fewer graduates, fewer licensed clinicians, fewer PTs entering the workforce, and less access to care for millions of Americans. To suggest that the DPT is not a professional degree while simultaneously expecting doctoral level training is absurd. This proposal will scare students away. It will increase scarcity and create a healthcare disaster.